Hello everyone! As an online business owner, mas daghan akong time para sa akong pamilya. Laag diri, laag dito, or just simply staying at home, spending quality time with the kids and family. Life is too short para magsige lang tagtrabaho.
Of course, I am a digital business owner. I found a venture that perfectly aligns with my passion and values. My passion lies in continuous learning and sharing opportunities with others worldwide.
Of course, I am an online digital business owner. I can run and manage my business anywhere at any time and have a better work-life balance.
As an online business owner, of course, I can be my own boss. I make decisions and take charge of the business without needing to report to anyone else.